Alright, now we're going to go into more in-depth coding. So this time is going to be video in motion, right?
Yep.
Alright, so gotta go into my tool, read ECU, not read ECU, that's wrong. I gotta change ECU first. And I read the long one too. What a fool. So that was wrong.
Just close this out and then read it again.
So just in case you do it wrong, no harm, no foul.
Yep.
Okay, what am I doing now?
CIC.
CIC. Okay.
Read.
Okay. And now my BMW coding tools, roll it over a little bit. CIC.C1A. There it is. Load trace. Show values. Fail. Unsort. Load trace. Show values. Okay. And this is the one up to Arabic again. Trace file. Okay. Load trace. Show values. Translation. Sort.
Do a search for handbrake.
Search. And brake. Any part. Search again.
I'm going to do a search for brakes, right? Or hand.
Hand. Any part. Probably not that one. Behandlung?
No.
No. Which next? Behandlung?
What else is something similar to handbrake?
There, this. That one.
Glasses.
Television video only with parking brake engaged. That? Yeah, that's gotta be it, right?
Yep.
Okay. Turning off.
Alright.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it.
Save. No.
No.
It's part 1.
That's part 1.
Mm-hmm.
But still save?
Yep.
No. No. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Go write it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Change job. SG Coderin. Execute job.
When it's done, read it again.
Okay.
But you'll have to wait for this to read.
Right. Waiting for the video screen to reboot. My whole video cluster. What do you call that? What is that referred to as?
Navigation.
Well,
iDrive.
iDrive.
Yeah.
iDrive screen.
Yeah, iDrive screen.
What does BMW refer to it as? The whole module behind it, not just the screen, but the whole.
CIC.
CIC. That's what they'll say if you go to a BMW. They'll say your CIC is gorked.
iDrive.
iDrive. Okay. Okay. So reading ECU again.
Yep. Now we're going to pay particular attention to the hex.
I thought we might.
Yeah. So let's
Okay.
go ahead and close.
Oh, we're just close this.
Yeah, we'll close it. I've never had success editing here and saving it and doing it.
Really?
Twice, so no.
All right.
I always close it, go back to the work folder,
Okay.
go to net2dat trace.
Net2dat trace. Okay.
For this particular one, we're going to be paying attention to the second line. Let me go get mine. Because I can't remember which byte it is that needs to be changed exactly. It's somewhere right in here, but I can't remember exactly which one.
Okay.
So they give me the opportunity to give those files.
Okay. Cool. Okay, so with the engine on, because battery died, I'm going to restart over here just in case we screwed anything up. So I'm going to go change ECU. We're doing CIC. Okay, okay. Reading ECU. Alright, close that down. Go back into this, not that. Go back into C drive, NCS expert, work, and it's net to dat, and we're looking for the value that this PDF says. This PDF is right here, and it says that we need to net to dat right here. It says we need to change second row, second row 81, where we at? My code is much different. Okay, so 10 and then 10 and then 50, and then mine is 80, 00, yours is 81. The next one is 1D, mine is 19. The next one is 46, mine is 44. Then I got a 0000 just like you do. And then there is a C0. And then I've got 0000. You had 0303, and I need to change these to FF. Okay. Is that it? Is that all I have to do there?
Yeah.
Okay. Save.
Close it.
Close that. Minimize that.
Alright,
Okay.
so now we're going to go to F5, basic functions.
Okay.
The second one down, net to that.
Okay.
Okay. And here all you got to do is type the name of the net to that file that you were modifying.
That right there.
Which is, yep, net to that.trc.
Net to dat dot
trc.
C.
Okay.
Okay.
And we'll get another pop-up. And then good.
Okay.
Alright. Close NCS. I'm going to open tool 32. So I want to right click and run as administrator.
Okay. Whoops. Right.
Right click, run as administrator. For some reason, this is very important for this particular step.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to go to File, Load.
Load test or load SGBD group file?
Group file. Now we're going to do a search for CICR. You can type it in right there, it's much quicker. CICR PRG. Yep. And we're going to scroll down. It's going to be about a third of the way down.
On here or here?
About 2/3 of the way down.
Right here.
Yeah, scroll down. Keep going. About right in here. It's going to be Stern something. It's not alphabetical order either, so it kind of sucks.
Right. Can you remember what we're looking for? Stern.
Keep going right here. So Stern, Coderon, master, and then Stoden, Coderon, reference. We need to run both of those.
So click on it, or what?
Click on it. Then there's two ways you can do it. You can click the F5 button, or you can just double click on it.
So you're going to double click right now?
Yep. What you want to do is make sure it says job status OK.
Okay.
Close it.
And then do the other one?
Do the other one. Job status OK. Done.
Okay.
Done. Close it. You're all done. That's
fantastic.
It's video on motion.
Great. Piece of cake.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so is there any other? You said there was one other that was a little more involved that we were talking about. Do you remember which one it was?
Signal? The one-touch turn signal?
No, there was one other that you said we're going to save that for later. can't remember which one it was.
Video on motion.
Yeah, but I thought there was a different one, but I can't remember. Is there anything else that is...
Angel eye brightness.
Nah. Well, maybe, but...
You don't want to do it OEM halogens.
No, don't even do it? Okay, then I won't.
You need to upgrade LEDs for that.
Okay. So do we have anything else that you can think of that is a big need for everybody?
That's the basics. Do you have the Excel document open?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, we just reset it down to the bottom or what? Seatbelt chimes. A lot of people.
Yes, turn those off.
Yeah.
ABG. We're going to get rid of those.
So there's.
Especially the passenger side.
This is
But I can handle that one. It's that's just standard. Pull the ABG and click it off. I can handle that.
All the coding right here is pretty much the same process that we just ran through.
Okay.
So you got your function title, you got the module you need to go to.
Yep.
For the most part, these are going to be correct. However, with like a FRM, your FRMs where you're going to run into an issue where some of these might be a little worded a little differently.
Okay.
So you just kind of have to pick up on keywords.
Right.
And if something doesn't look right, just use Google.
Okay.
For the most part, the description column over here is pretty well described.
Okay.
This right here is a CIC for you.
This right DRL option and
Yeah.
so if I just put CIC in here as opposed to CAPPL CCC.
Yeah, for you.
Why for me? What?
Because the older version of the iDrive was CCC.
Gotcha.
So if you were to try to code somebody that's 2009 or older,
yeah,
then they're going to have the triple C.
Gotcha. 2009. I am 2009 and older.
You said 2010.
Oh, older, newer, whatever. Yeah. Understood.
Which there's CIC right there too. So.
Right. Okay.
There's your alarm module, but you don't. You said you don't have an alarm.
I do not have an alarm that I know of. I'm surprised they don't let you use the horn.
No, BMW.
Whatever.
Oh, the other one cool thing people like now is the new craze is adaptive headlight 2. Where so if you're driving, I think at like 30 mile an hour below, the driver's side headlight will aim a little further out to give you a wider angle. But once you reach above 30, I'm told it'll straighten
out. Oh, that's cool. And that's with, is that in here?
I don't think I'll listen with that one in there yet.
Okay.
It's in the FRM, and if you do a search for AHL2, you just have to enable it.
Okay. Increased mirror tilt. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah,
I don't really want that.
It's a little same net2net coding. You can code it to go down as far as you want.
You can type the actual value in.
The hex value.
That's cool. Okay.
So I think I put it in there.
Right. Yep.
Yeah,
sure
5A for a coupe and a 43 for a sedan is what the recommended is.
Gotcha. Frankly, my mirror tilt is too much the way it is. I'm not very good at it. I'm not very good at using it apparently. Turn signal blink count. I don't care. Climate doesn't turn on in auto mode. That's something that sometimes annoys me and sometimes does not. Door dongs. Yeah, driver seat memory options in cluster. Really?
I've played around with it and haven't really been able to get much success with it.
Okay.
So.
All right. All right. Cool. Man, I think that is going to. This one. I think I want this one. Unlocks oral doors when you remove key. I think I already did that one though, right?
Yep. So you want to test all this stuff?
Yeah. Just a second. Let me close Windows roof with fob. Is that on?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Engine start without brake. No, I don't need that. Alarm beep lock. Alarm beep. Oh, you were just telling me about that. Yep. What is that? DRL option in iDrive. What is that?
The ability to turn your data timer on, lights on or off.
No thanks. Wiper wipes. So we did that one. Ventilation. Just set to active, test if on non-iDrive. Gives you 2 programmable timers. Okay, so what does this do exactly?
You have iDrive.
Oh, this only happens on non-iDrive cars.
Yeah.
Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool. I think we're good. Because the rest of this, I think I can figure out now that I have a good basis for working.
Yep.
Great. Yeah, save. Oh, yeah, I guess.
For sure, sign
Yeah, I'm saving it to mine. It didn't because I opened an Excel